Hi guys, and today will make the order that is in the white chocolate because some of you guys will very confusing about the chocolate options in my shop. So today I just in coincidence and had this opportunity. So I want to introduce you to you guys the white chocolate and all the other chocolate I have in my shop. And you can see here, this is the white chocolate. Yes, it's really beautiful. You can see, and the color just the tone to the light brown. Yes, the light brown tones of the color, and we can compare to the chocolate. The normal chocolate that I have in my shop is a little darker. You can see it's a little darker, and it's more thick than the white chocolate. So if I don't compare it in the video, maybe you guys just don't figure out what's the difference they are. So this is the chocolate and this is white chocolate, and now I will take other piece of the brownie. Okay, the brownie is here. The brownie is the more darkness layers, the more dark in my chocolate options. You can see, and also the brownie has many black shade inside. Yeah, you can see a lot black shade inside. The brownie is like this. So, and more textures and more bumpy. Yes, you can see. So the brownie is just like this. It's very, the color inside is a lot. Just have the brown, have deep brown, have dark red, have many color combination inside. So it is the brownie. Yes, it's like I will say it a little red brown in the color, in this color, and the pure chocolate just like this. Yes, it's just the dark brown, but not so dark to compare with the brownie. Yes, and the white chocolate is like this. It's just really like white chocolate we eat. Yes. So these three different chocolate tones in my shop is all here. Yes, and the white chocolate just is the most soft layer in these three pieces of layers. So if you guys like very floppy and very squeezy layers, and I think the white chocolate is the best choice to you guys. And the thickness layer of the chocolate is the normal chocolate layers here, and it also very thick because it's thicker than the white chocolate, so it will get a little firm to compare with the white chocolate. Yes, and also the brownie is very floppy too. Yes, it's very floppy because you can see it has a lot big textures. So if a layer lets a lot textures on the surface, it means the layer is very soft. And it's very easy to recognize the layer is soft or the layer is firm. It's really easy to recognize. If you see the layers, they are so smoothly on the surface, that means the layer will close to the firm tone. And if you see the layers, there are so many textures and mountains on the surface, that means the layer is really soft. Yeah, it's really easy to recognize is the firm or is the soft layer. So So today I just want to have this opportunity. I can just introduce these 3 different kinds of letters I have in my shop. Okay, so now I will start to making the best kingery. It's older, and she order a white chocolate and with a 5.5-inch all wood spine and front pocket. It's a simple design. So I will make it now. Okay, see you guys later. Hey guys, so this white chocolate with the all wood front pocket and all wood spine is down here. Yeah, and this size is a D16. So you can see it's looks quite small, but I think because this is very easy to carry out, or just put in your purse, or put in your big wallet, and just to check out for some some writing or some painting in this size. Yes, and because she added the spine, so it look very wide. Yeah, and I just try to, because I want to try, because I have my own notebook. So this notebook is also have the LeCow logos here. Yes, so she add two elastic spine. So maybe her notebook will just fit to this cover very well. Okay, so, and I also add a pig nose in the back of the button. So you can see there is a big space between the button and the lid and the cover. Yeah, so it will be very easy to slide the elastic in. Yeah, very easy. Okay, so this is a white chocolate today, and wish you guys will love it. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye bye.